Safety goggles on. And let's give it a go. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's the time? Time to guess. What's the time? Time to test. What's the time? Aww, it's science time!
Welcome to the Science Time Lab. Are you ready to experiment? Today we will be launching a rocket ship high up into the sky. I have a question. I wonder if we can use air to make something fly. I'm thinking maybe we could use this bottle to create a big gush of wind that would launch a rocket ship up into the air. For this experiment, you'll need a rectangular piece of paper, a semicircular piece of paper, scissors, tape, and an empty plastic bottle. Let's begin the experiment. Okay, so I've cut out some semicircle pieces of paper here, and I'm just going to connect the two corners to make a cone, like that. I've got some tape here, so I'm just going to stick down the edges so it's all secure. Like that. Here's our cone. Now you can leave your cone like this, or you can decorate it like I want to, like a rocket. So I'm gonna grab a piece of tape here and stick it to the cone. One paper rocket. Now, I'm going to grab this piece of rectangular paper and roll a tube like this. Roll, roll, roll. Oh, that's a pretty good tube. Now, we need to make sure that our tube is the same size as the mouthpiece in the bottle. They need to connect. So, let's see if mine works. Oh, okay. Okay, yep, I'll just tighten it a little, but that's pretty good. I'm just gonna put some tape around it to secure it. It's really important that we seal the tube to the bottle to make sure that there are no gaps for air to get through. I'm just gonna put some tape on the tube so it all sticks together. All right, let's put our creation to the test. Let's experiment. What will we see? Maybe we'll make a discovery. It's time for science. And scientifically, maybe we'll make a discovery. Water bottle launcher. A paper cone rocket. Check there's no air pockets. What will we see? You and me. Let's experiment. What will we see? Maybe we'll make a discovery. Oh, okay, safety goggles on. And let's give it a go. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Oh, wow, yes, it worked. Our paper rocket flew. Huh. Now, I wonder if I use a bigger rocket launcher, will my rocket go even higher into the sky? And if I use an even bigger bottle rocket launcher, will my rocket go even higher into the sky? All right, let's see. I'm gonna put a rocket on the small one, a rocket on the medium bottle launcher, and a rocket on the large bottle launcher. Okay. Well, which one do you think will go the highest? Let's experiment. Safety goggles back on. Let's start with the small one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Okay, that was pretty high. Now, for the medium, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Okay, that was a lot higher. And now for the really big one, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Wow, right into the sky. Let's see what we've discovered. When I squeeze the plastic bottle launcher, the force of my hands caused the air inside the bottle to gush out. The air travelled through the airtight tube, and the force of the air launched the little paper rocket high into the sky. So we did it. We made something fly just by using the power of air, even if it was just a little paper rocket. Come on, do you want to blast off in a rocket too? Let's go! Climb aboard the rocket ship, we're going to the moon. Come along, get ready, we're gonna blast off soon. Put on your helmet and buckle up real tight. Get ready for the countdown and count with all your might. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! And zoom, 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 and landing. Oh, that was fun. So maybe you would like to make your own rocket launcher. So discover your way with some science time today.